We are about to head out to do our February 1st Costco stock up grocery haul. About a week and a half ago or so, I did a video about meal planning from my pantry and going through all the stuff in my pantry and freezer and fridge and making up a meal plan or a list of meal ideas of things that I can make from all of those things. And I still have quite a few of those meals, all the ingredients still to make those. So I am not really buying stuff for like dinners. I have lots of meat in the freezer. I have lots of things like beans and rice and stuff like that in my pantry, but we are running really low on like breakfast and lunch staples, eggs, breakfast meats, some fresh veggies and snack stuff like dried fruit. So I am going to stock up on those things. So you're not going to see a lot of like fresh meat and stuff in this grocery haul, but breakfast meats, vegetables. I have to do another huge batch of our freezer breakfast sandwiches. I did those back in December, I think. And I was like, oh yeah, these will last probably like 2 to 3 months, but they lasted about 6 weeks. So my husband eats those every single morning for breakfast. He grabs them as he's leaving for work, and it's really convenient for him. And then other days where we have our homeschool co-op, if we're running, somewhere in the morning and I need something really easy to give to the kids, we'll do those breakfast sandwiches. The kids don't eat them every day. They just eat them on those busy mornings where I need to get them something quick, but my husband definitely eats them every day. So I'm realizing that that's going to have to be like an every other month thing. And it's not cheap to do that huge because I make 12 dozen at a time. And it's not cheap to do that, but I'm realizing that that's something I just really need to fit into my grocery budget. So I made my list here. We'll see if I can get everything on here. I'm trying not to buy a ton of like chips. The kids, I feel like they've been eating lots and lots of chips recently. And usually I don't have a problem with that, but it just feels like they've been eating too much recently. So I have on the list to get the almond flour crackers, and I think that's the only like chippy cracker snacky food that I have on the list. I'm going to try for the month of February, see how it goes, to not buy anything that's a chip. Except I do have chocolate chips on my list, but that doesn't count because that's a totally different kind of chip. I'm going to be taking Talia, my number one little helper, and Levi with me today to get all of this grocery shopping done. And we are headed out. It's Saturday morning, and I'm trying to get there like 10 minutes before they open, because usually they open the doors a little early, and it's so much easier to get in and out if you get there right when they open. We're going to preemptively give Levi a banana here and see if that helps us get through the grocery store. You ready to go shopping? Say yup. So Talia got a haircut yesterday, and I think it looks so cute and grown up on her. Turn your head around. See the back? Look at how cute.
I sat in a chair for 2 hours.
Yeah, we went to a beauty school to get our hair cut, and so it was a student cutting it, and it's super cute. He did an amazing job, but it took 2 full hours. It was the longest haircut I've ever experienced in my life.
I had nothing to play with. I was just sitting there.
Yeah.
Bored to death.
But it was worth it because it's so stinking cute. We got here early enough. Everyone's still waiting in line. Guess we should go wait in line. At least it stopped raining on us. Levi's got his car. He's so obsessed with cars and trucks right now. All right, Talia, you want to hold the list?
Mama. Bacon and bananas.
All right, bacon. I'm going to get 2 bacons to stock up. All right, we got to get cheese sticks. They're usually around here.
Bacon, check.
And
Pants is not on here.
yeah, I didn't put pants on the list.
You get to sit next to me.
All right, we got to get Parmesan cheese for Autumn's dinner that she's making this week. I think this is going to be the cheapest, and we'll just stock up on Parmesan cheese, I guess. Yeah, just mark off the shredded cheese. That's what I'm getting for shredded cheese this time. You don't even like those, man. Don't act like you want one of those. Oh, we need to get Dad's sharp cheese that he loves.
Sharp cheese.
Best butter ever. Well, it's the weekend. Sometimes there's samples on weekends. We'll see. All right, we got to go to the freezer section and get all the frozen sausages for the breakfast sandwiches.
Okay, sausage patties.
Oh, and we got to go back and get eggs. We missed those. Looks like they're almost out of our sausages. Are we going to be able to get enough? We usually get four bags. I only see 3, but there might be one behind, so we'll see. Nope. All right, well, I guess we're only getting 3 then. That'll be okay. That'll be enough to last us a little while. Yeah, that's fine. We don't even have bananas in the cart yet, man. That's not bananas. Oh, you want your car? Did you drop your car? Everything he likes, I guess, is a banana now. No, that's not what you wanted? No, thank you? You want a sausage? We're not eating sausage yet. It's still frozen. We got to cook it first. Cheese slices for the breakfast sandwiches. We'll go ahead and get 3 because any extras are going to be eaten up by everybody. No, I think we still have oranges at home. Not for Levi, but for everybody else. I finally got these sausages back that we love. But they're going on sale in just a few days, so I'm only going to get 1, and we'll stock up later when they're on sale.
Delicious.
They are. Renee loves them too.
Delicious.
Levi, you got to chill out about the bananas, man.
She'd probably take the sausages and hummus on.
That would be delicious.
And then put some nuts on it and make her own recipe.
Yep, those look pretty good. Do those look yummy to you? You want to eat peppers too? And we'll get some bananas. But you didn't even finish your banana in the car, you crazy boy.
Really?
No, he didn't. I can't believe it. Oh, yeah, that should be a good one. You really want to eat those peppers, don't you? We're not eating peppers yet.
He's
we gotta
right.
get them home.
He's right. The peppers are very, very delicious.
That's true. All right, we're gonna get some chocolate chips. Can't believe we're buying chocolate chips after so many we bought at Christmas time. But we're out of chocolate ones. Autumn requested oats, so we're gonna get some of these. We'll try these for the kids for some snacks. I think they're pretty good. Okay, here's these. We'll get a couple boxes of these since they'll be our only snacky crackers for the week at least. Oh, bless you, man. I didn't see any popcorn kernels. Did you? Oh, they might be on the next aisle with the chips. Oh, we got so many breakfast sandwich thins. All right, just my... Oh, they have this Orville Redenbacher here. Let's see if this is good. $5.99. All right, man, are you going to live now that you got some more food? 1 banana is just not enough to make it through grocery shopping, I guess. Poor boy. So here's my giant Costco stock up. I'll go over everything I got. All of this stuff here is for the breakfast sandwiches. 3 packs of sliced cheddar, 3 bags of the breakfast sausage, and 8 packs of the sandwich thins. Back here, I got some applesauce. I figured that would make some good snacks when we're not having as many snacky chip things. Avocado oil, some Kerrygold butter. Frank's Red Hot Sauce was on sale, and I needed to stock up on that. Dried mangoes, also for some snacky things. The almond flour crackers, and I grabbed these moon cheeses. They're good, and I think the kids might like those if they need something crunchy instead of a chip. We got some raw honey for Renee. She loves her honey. And for Jeff, my husband, he loves honey as well. 2 of these extra sharp cheddar blocks. My husband likes to take a big chunk of cheese to snack on for work. It's just really easy food for him to take and snack on. We got some bell peppers and cucumbers, string cheese, a giant thing of popcorn kernels, and I figured this also would be a good snacky thing. It's cheap, and I like to try to find non-GMO popcorn when I'm buying popcorn, so decided to splurge on that. We got a big thing of Parmesan cheese because Autumn's going to be making dinner this upcoming week, and the recipe she's going to do needs some shredded Parmesan. I got 4 packs of bananas. 2 were organic, 2 were non-organic. That was just because the organic ones were still green and the non-organic ones were ripe, and so those will last us a little while. Not terribly long because you know how Levi loves his bananas. Then we got a big bag of chocolate chips. We just like to have some on hand for snacking and baking. We like to do like trail mixes and stuff with that. Coffee, my favorite organic rainforest blend. 1 pack of the Amy Lou chicken breakfast links. These are really good and everybody loves them. And they hadn't had them at Costco for quite some time, and so I was really happy to see them back. But they do go on sale in just like 4 days. I saw on the ad, so I will probably next time I'm at Costco this month stock up on those, get a few packages. But I just got 1 for now to hold us for a little bit. I got a big 5 dozen thing of eggs, 2 packs of bacon for breakfasts, and I think, oh, I missed one thing back here, steel cut oats also for breakfasts. The only non-food item I got was a pair of comfy pants for myself. See, I don't know where I put my receipt. Did I put it in my pocket? I think I put it in my pocket. The total I spent was $375.98, and $12.99 of that was the pants. So $375.98 minus $12.99 is what will go into my grocery budget for the month. And so that's more than half of my $600 monthly grocery budget. So I will save the rest to just fill in gaps here for the rest of the month. And that is our giant Costco grocery haul. Thanks for going shopping with us, and we will see you again next time. Can you say bye? Bye. See you next time.